Hello, so today I'll be reviewing Cadbury Bonville's 50% dark chocolate. I have this big packet and I also have a smaller one, this one, and I'll be reviewing both. So both are the same, it is just the size difference and I wanted to unwrap both and show it to you. Bonville is the dark chocolate range of Cadbury. So I will be starting with the 50% dark chocolate. I guess by now most of us must have tasted this chocolate, but since I wanted to review the entire range, I will be starting with the 50% dark chocolate. So let's unwrap this and see what's inside. So this is how both are looking. There's a big difference between the bigger one and the smaller one. So let us taste this. Yeah, it has a nice snap. So this particular chocolate has a very sweet taste. It doesn't have any bitterness at all. So 50%, I think you cannot expect it to be bitter anyways, because it has just crossed from being a milk chocolate to a dark chocolate. So you will not find it that dark or that bitter. But then if you want to start tasting or get into the dark chocolate arena, then you can start with this chocolate. This is a nice, pleasant, sweet chocolate which anybody can have. And it tastes very premium, It has a nice silky kind of texture. I mean, of course, it is Cadbury brand, and when you taste it, you kind of feel that it is worth it. Now let us take one bite from the smaller chocolate as well. This did not have that much of a snap, but that's okay. The texture of this chocolate feels a bit more creamier than this one. So I don't know if the size difference makes any difference. But yeah, taste wise both seems the same. It is just a texture. Maybe this is a bit thicker, that's why the texture feels a bit different. Not that different, but slightly. This is more hard and this is slightly creamier. In terms of taste, I think there is nothing much to say because there is no specific flavor. It is a plain dark chocolate. So I think on a usual day I'll prefer to have this kind of chocolate. So this bigger packet is priced at 90 rupees and it is 80 grams, and the smaller packet is priced at 45 rupees and it is 31 grams. So the funny part is this smaller packet is so small. In spite of that, they have given a nice description about the chocolate on this, and I don't see this description on this bigger packet anywhere, in spite of this being a bigger packet. Just an interesting thing to note. So it's a thumbs up from my side, and that's the review for this chocolate. I hope you like this video, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye bye.